The stage is set, the rivalry ignited. Australia and England are poised for a Champions Trophy showdown in Lahore. As the ICC Champions Trophy 2025 unfolds, cricket enthusiasts worldwide eagerly anticipate the high voltage clash between the arch rivals Australia and England on February 22nd at iconic Gaddafi Stadium. Australia's campaign navigating challenges. Australia enters the tournament with a formidable reputation yet faces significant hurdles. The absence of their premier fast bowling trio Pat Cummins, Mitchell Starc and Josh Hazlewood due to injuries and personal reasons has left a void in their bowling lineup. This scenario offers a platform for emerging talents like Ben Waschel, Nathan Ellis and Spencer Johnson to step up on the grand stage. Veteran spinner Adam Zampa experience will be a pivotal in anchoring the bowling attack. On the batting front, Australia boasts a robust lineup. Steve Smith assuming the captaincy in Cummins' absence, bring a wealth of experience and a track record of tormenting English bowlers. Alongside him, Marnus Labuschagne and the explosive Glenn Maxwell are expected to fortify the middle order. Maxwell in particular has been remarked by former all-rounder Shane Watson as a potential game changer. England's recent form in ODI has been less than a stellar, highlighted by 0-3 series defeat in India. This team has undergone strategic reshuffling, notably promoting wicketkeeper batsman Jamie Smith to the number 3 position, aiming to inject aggression into the top order. The pace battery comprising of Jofra Archer, Mark Wood and Brynden Case is tasked with exploiting any vulnerabilities in Australia's batting lineup. Spinner Adil Rashid will be very crucial in middle orders to stem the flow of ruins. So, what according to us is the pitch condition of today's match at Gaddafi Stadium? The Gaddafi Stadium looks like a batting paradise, a stadium pitch that is renowned for batting friendly and promising high scoring encounters. Historically, teams have found chasing to be advantages under lights, but for the decision at the toss will hinge on assessing dew factors and the pitch behavior. Despite Australia's challenges with a depicted bowling attack, their batting depth and experience in ICC tournament provide the slight edge. Conversely, England's aggressive approach and recent strategic changes could disrupt Australia's plans. This match promises to be a closely contested affair, with Australia perhaps holding a marginal advantage due to their proven resilience in high-stake games. Brace yourselves for a thrilling contest as these two powerhouses lock horns in what promises to be an unforgettable encounter at Champions Trophy 2025. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe New Street Live on YouTube, and do follow us on Instagram at New Street Live.